Hello, it is Monday, December 29th. And Christmas is over, the weekend is over, and we have a shorter week of trading today. But I'm just going to break down what I'm seeing on this kind of Monday start of the week, which usually give us kind of plans. Nothing really too crazy, kind of a nothing burger day, but I'll still go through everything. Yes, got this sweep of the high back inside, so I'm looking for shorts potentially, but I mean, a more decisive move would have been nice. In general, this isn't like an insta short. This is just to be cautious. I would say something like this. Okay, we're looking more short. And in general, I'd rather short it below here, but there's definitely a conversation to be had about shorting this. I don't love just constantly shorting the sweep of the new highs either, but I think the reason why this isn't so actionable for me is not necessarily because it isn't a short trigger, is because high or low here, and then just context of what else is going on. So the big talk of the town is silver, and we finally got the pullback. We hit 78 down to 70, which is pretty crazy. I don't know, somewhere, I don't have the actual future, but I think this is a spot. But yeah, so silver's blowing up. So it's a case of like I was saying with the trailing stop, we got to watch how far silver goes down and kind of see how that's going to play out, because silver was the thing of the week. But at least there's this range now on, oh, there's the wick, 83. There's this range on silver for Monday, so I would expect some sort of volatility in this. Again, no positions here. I'm not interested in trading this. I was interested in a gold long. No, I got stopped out. This was a paper long. And I just drew this line before I recorded this. We've got a nice support here. This is something I would be interested in shorting as well. If we get a breakdown of this or a retest and then a failure, that's a great short at the RSI cross. That's something I'd be looking to just for a range play, which would be great, especially considering this failed. Now, I'm not ruling out continuation, but yeah, either one of those looks pretty good. Oil is chugging along. Still happy with this. So we're just waiting for it to break above that diagonal, and eventually it would catch up to the other commodities that are going. The point I was thinking this morning, though, was the fact that oil didn't crumble along with the other commodities is a good sign. Like palladium, I think, went down like crazy. Obviously, the gold silver reset. So it's nice to see oil hanging on, because it shows that, at least for now, it's I guess bottomed. I don't want to call the bottom, but looking pretty good. Natural gas. I had the trade from last video. I don't remember exactly what time frame it was on. Inverse head and shoulders on the 4-hour. So we're looking to play this back up still. I got wicked out, which is kind of a bummer. Oh, I have it on the other. I have it on UNG, so I'll pull up UNG. But yeah, chart-wise, this is actually looking really good. So this is the support, the second support I had marked out. So the fact that we're at least consolidating here will give us an actionable, something actionable. Let's take a look at UNG. Yeah, that's where it was. So I got wicked out. Would have been a good trade. I mean, there's nothing more to it. It's at first resistance, but breakthrough here, and then we're looking for back up to the top. But we'll see how the weather is. Crypto, I mean, this is pretty bad price action. I took the long, and I moved stops to break even because look at this move. It's just, it was so grindy, and in crypto, usually it's not like that. So the second we got to like 30, 40, like $100, $60 up, I moved my stops to break even. I'm glad I did. I got out unscathed. And then I relonged, and I think my stop is something like this. And that's kind of the idea. Something like this or like this. But in general, this kind of consolidation, it's the same thing I've been saying every stream. Like we want to see it come out or break down. And this is, yeah, not great. It's just, it's not bearish, but, and in fact, it's actually a little bullish. Like the higher time frame you go, like we got a daily cross this morning. Definitely turning into something, but I mean, it also doesn't look great. not a phenomenal chart. So I didn't risk very much, and we'll see what happens. And Bitcoin's the same story. Just looks like it's rolling over, ready to go down to 74. But I trade the chart, and on the daily we had a cross, kind of a reset. So I'll try it out. Currencies, JXY is really the only mover today, and it's kind of going along to plan, which is nice. Nothing else really moved at all. Oh yeah, USD Canadian's getting near our level. We'll see if it responds. In order for that to happen, we're gonna need to see this go the opposite direction, and that's rolling over. And we need this not do that, even though it looks very bullish. So it'll be interesting. This could be an incredible short opportunity. Speaking of currencies, TLT, long TLT still, and the plan's the same. Like there's really not much going on. Yeah, just waiting for it to break out or retest these lows. DXY, same thing, just low breakdown, targeting the lows. And yeah, so nothing really crazy. I mean, NDQ rejected this trend line, but it's not the strongest trend line in the world. And if anything, it's just more of a coiling pattern. So like, are you really going to take a short just to target here? Not really. You probably want it to take that short is probably better. But we're going into year end, and I don't know. It's kind of a nothing burger week, which is fine. Some individual stocks. I was talking about Nike last time, how I wanted to see either this or this, and we got this one, so I longed it this morning. Stop below here, and first target's somewhere up here, something like that. And I mean, you could be targeting here too, but I'll just see where we get with it. Yeah, we'll just see if it works. What was the other one? There was another one. Palantir. Palantir gave a short trigger. Daily cross on the RSI, daily cross in the diagonal, and failure to hold this breakout level. So it would be this is 2.6R, which is pretty good. But it's Palantir. Who knows, man? Anything can happen. But yeah, that would match this trend that we've had where we follow the trend line, cross the trend line, follow the trend line, cross the trend. Yeah. Doesn't always trade that easily, but that's kind of what I'm seeing. And it was originally somewhat bullish. Let's see. MicroStrategy. This looks like poo. Yeah, it's just rolling over. I think that was it. Oh, AVGO. AVGO is going to plan. Yeah, we'll sell it at the top if it gets there. And I think that's it for now. Oh, Tesla went back inside. So this is invalid. And we're now looking for 410. Actually a good short. So we'll see if that happens. I'd probably put it something like that. It's actually a pretty high R trade.